Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and today in this video I'm going to show you all around this Audi A6 Allroad. Now it's up for sale for spares or repairs. That means it comes with no warranty. That's because it's got a few issues which I'm going to point out to you in this video. However, before I get to that, this is an absolute classic. I bought this because I love them. The A6 Allroad, a very, very cool car. This one in particular, in terms of cosmetics, very nice. On the outside, really good condition. On the inside, very good condition. Let's just have a little look inside because beautiful. I mean, look at that. Leather interior. We've got the book pack in there as well. Automatic, air suspension, loads of spec, a very, very nice car. And also, Nigel, just come around here. Let me show the boot. Tow bar, which is quite nice. And also, a whopping boot with a Audi A6 branded boot protector, a guard in place here, and this goes all the way back. Huge boot. Now let's talk about those problems. This has got a MOT that was valid until April the 30th 2027, so it's got a year's, near enough a year's MOT. What are we in now? June? No, it's not a year, it's about 10 months. But that MOT we had done just to check it out, to make sure, see what we needed to do. Unfortunately for us, it's uneconomical for us to repair this and get it up to the standard that we would do normally before retailing a car. However, if you are a collector, you are a home mechanic, or you are a mechanic, you'll be able to fix it. So in terms of the MOT advisories, Nearside Rear Registration plate inoperative, rear registration plate lamp inoperative in case of multiple lamps or light sources, so it needs a bulb in there. The exhaust has a minor leak of exhaust gases. Nearside front upper suspension arm, offside front upper suspension arm, both those bushes worn but not resulting in excessive movement. You can read all this on the MOT. Front brake pads wear and thin. Nearside front tyre worn close to the legal limit. Offside front tyre slightly damaged, cracking or perishing. Nearside front tyres are cut but not deep enough to reach supply or cords. Nearside front suspension arm bush worn but not resulting in excessive movement. Same on the offside front lower suspension arm. You can check out all those advisories on MOT. The other thing that we've noticed is there's an occasional overheating issue. We suspect it's a thermostat. We are not sure, which is why we're selling this for spares or repairs. Now, it is a 286 brake horsepower, 3-litre petrol engine this, a beautiful engine. As you've seen, nice leather interior. Key goes over here on the dash. Sounds good, doesn't it? Lovely. Very, very nice car. It does say it needs a service. It does say one of the tyres needs pumping up, but pumping up tyres, not too much of a problem. Had 4 previous owners, comes with 2 keys, as I've shown you there. Its insurance group, I'm not sure because I haven't checked, and the road tax, probably quite expensive. But apart from that, as you can see, good condition inside and out, just got those issues. So if you're a collector and you're after an A6 Allroad, which I was until the point that I decided we wouldn't be able to retail this, then this car is for you. If you want any more information, give us a call. Our telephone number is up there, 02393 552033. You can contact me. I'm James at clevercarcollection.com. Give us a call on whatever platform you're viewing this advert on, and we will be sure to help you out. So this is being sold spares or repairs. It means it comes with no warranty, so you're buying it as it is, but it comes for a very good price. Hopefully that's been useful. If you need anything else, give me a shout. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.